Everybody. With everything going on in regards to the COVID-19 pandemic, it's understandably difficult to find hand wipes and stuff like that. So I'm going to make me some hand wipes. So what I've already done is I have got some paper towels. I pulled out like 6 or 7 of the pick-a-size paper towels, the smaller size ones, and I shredded them in half and then pulled them all apart so you get this size right here. If you have napkins this size, that should work fine as well. And I got this bag right here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some hand soap and I think 2 pumps should be enough, maybe a little more. And we'll put some water in here. Don't need much. And we'll zip the bag shut, make sure it's zip shut all the way, and just shake it up real good. Now, we'll take our paper towels. In this case, I'm going to turn them sideways. Just stick them in like that. Close the bag back up. And go ahead and shake it again. Well, if I could get a grip on it, make sure it's shut all the way. Give it a good shake. The idea is we want the paper towels to be soaked real well. We don't need them to be super soaked, but maybe add just a little bit more water. Not much. Don't need a whole lot. And there you have it. Hand wipes. You keep the bag zipped shut good and they should stay moist. So I'll keep these in my vehicle, so anytime I go to the grocery store or get gas or whatever, I'll have hand wipes. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.